Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. Welcome to my Soci AI review. Now, I'm super excited to show you this product, guys, because this is really powerful, and this is the first time that I encounter this such high quality product inside of WordPress Marketplace, because most of the product that they release in the Marketplace is not a really great product, but this one is high quality product that can truly help you guys out when it comes to getting results using social media. So this is going to help you automate your social media account. You can, pretty much integrate all of the social media platform right here, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Blogger, WordPress, Reddit, YouTube, TikTok, even Google My Business. You can integrate this inside of the software, Pinterest, Telegram, Tumblr, RSS feed, right? So these are big companies that you can integrate inside of Soci AI, so you can automate your social media places or other platform inside of one dashboard without you the need to go back and forth to your different kind of social media account and post content one by one. So inside of the software, you can automate your, you know, content directly inside of Soci AI. Now, again, this is a ChatGPT4 powered software, which means you can use ChatGPT to produce high quality content. You can use this AI suite right here, which allow you to create content from ChatGPT4. You can generate AI images. You can generate or you can create short and vertical videos using AI. So if you're not a video editor, this can help you guys out. And then AI graphics editor, so this can help you edit images and graphics directly inside of the software. Now, before I walk you through and show you guys the demo of this, let me show you first my bonuses. If you guys decide to pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video. I actually custom crafted all these bonuses to help you guys out. Alright, so let me show you what are these bonuses. My bonus number one, I'm gonna give you access to 10,000 done for you brand new products that you can sell as your own. So these are uh, ebooks that comes with private label rights, which means you can put your own name as the creator of this product, sell this, and keep 100% of the profit. Bonus number two is I'm gonna give you access to 900,000 done for you video maker template. Bonus number three is 5 million high definition stack videos, images, memes, JFs, and so much more. Bonus number four is article spinner software. So you're getting access to a lifetime account. So this is a turbo article spinner. So if you wanted to generate content using this AI content generator instead of Soci app, so this can help you make your content unique. And then bonus number five is 300,000 done for your content that comes with private label rights as well. Bonus number six is affiliate easy affiliate links plugin. So essentially, this is going to help you manage and track all of your affiliate links inside of WordPress. And then bonus number seven is 10 million done for you content that comes with PLR or private label rights as well. And you're also gonna get access, guys, to this exclusive bonuses that no one else is offering right now. You will get access to AI Body. You will get access to the front end, pro version, and max version of this. AI Body is the world's first ChatGPT powered software that will help you create human-like content, write code, high quality designs. And then bonus number eight is SendPal. Again, you also get access to the front end, pro version, and max version of this. SendPal is the world's first WhatsApp smart messaging app that sends unlimited messages to unlimited contacts for unlimited profits. Bonus number nine is Video AI. Again, you also get access to the front end, pro version, and max version of this. Now, Video AI is a software designed to help users or to help you create eye-catching and engaging videos for social media platform like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, WhatsApp status, Facebook stories, and Reels. And then bonus number 10 is Tube AI. You're also going to get access to the front end, pro version, and max version of this. Tube AI is a comprehensive SaaS platform designed to provide you complete YouTube Shorts marketing solution. Bonus number 11 is Story AI. Again, front end, pro version, and max version is included. Story AI is a powered SaaS platform designed to help users to create stunning and engaging story and real videos. And then you also get access to the Systeme exclusive bonuses. You'll get access to QR Pal. You will get access to this web creator or website creator and funnel builder. You will get access to text AI. And you also get access, guys, to this BIP bonus right here. You will get access to 50,000 done for your ebooks, 10 million done for your articles, and 10 million stacked media assets, right? So those are all of my bonuses. If you decide to pick this up, show the link down in the description of this video. So when you click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page. The headline says ChatGPT powered software or app automate social media accounts like LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest by creating and posting viral content such as videos, images, reels, and much more. Now let me walk you through inside of the software. Alright guys, so once you log in into your account, you can see this video right here. This is a training video, so if you want to learn the step-by-step training on how to use the software, then this is the video that you should watch. Now you can use this AI suite to generate content, images, videos, and editor. Now I'm not going to show you guys the full, tutorial on how to use the software because there's a training. Just like I said, there's a training. I'm just going to walk you through inside here. All right, now to use this AI suite, just click on this AI content. So if you want to generate content, then you can use this AI content right here, and you can say something or you can say anything. You can interact with the chatbot. So in this case, write me an article about social media management and AI. So I'm just gonna click on generate results, and we'll wait for a couple of seconds right here. Alright guys, so as you can see guys, the software provides us this content that we can publish into our social media account. You can also use this mic right here. So if you wanted to talk to the microphone and start generating content using your microphone, you can also do that. Just click on this allow, it will let you do that. Right. So I'm not gonna do that because I just copy and pasted this prompt right here. Now to generate an AI images, now let's try this one. Gorilla with sunglasses holding an axe, realistic digital art. And then I'm going to be using this 512, and then I'm going to generate 3 images. I'm going to click on generate results, and let's see if this software comes up with this image with a gorilla with sunglasses holding an axe, realistic digital art. All right, so this is the image that this software provides us right here. We can, click on this image. We can actually download this by clicking on this download an image, and we'll let you download that right here. So this is the exact prompt that we use right here. We have this gorilla holding an axe with sunglasses, right? So this is a really powerful software, powerful way to generate images. And then short videos. Now let's try to use this short videos. Now let's try this one simple prompt right here. Cat playing a ball or cat playing ball, right? And then we can select a ratio. So I'm going to be using portrait resolution 1080 1920, and then I'm going to be using no effect. We can choose a mode, let's say happy. An audio, you can select an audio right here, or you can upload your own audio. Now I'm not going to add an audio. I'm just going to click on generate results, and we'll wait for a couple of minutes and see if this software pull out or provide us this video about a cat playing a ball. Alright guys, so it actually took like a couple of minutes to this video to be generated. I think it's like 2 minutes to be able to generate this kind of video. So I'm going to click on this download video, and let's see the quality of this video. All right, that's really great because if you wanted to produce this slide video like this, it would take you time to create this video. But AI does a really great job producing this unique video. Comes with this AI images, and it will automatically create you a slide of this video. So all you have to do is to add in a background music and add in some text right here to to spice up your video, right? So this is really powerful. All right, and then AI graphics editor. Let's try this one if what this is all about. Alright, so I'm gonna upload an image right here. Now you need to upload two images. The first one is the original image. The second one is the mask. Now let me explain to you what this is all about. So this is the original image and this is the mask right here. Now let's say you wanted to edit something from this image. So let's say I'm gonna add in sunglasses. I'm gonna add in this mask right here. So this is the original image. I'm gonna upload the image. So this is the image right here, and then I'm gonna upload that mask. So this is where I'm gonna add in this, sunglasses, right? So I'm gonna click on upload to upload this image, and then we can select a resolution like this one, and then how many images you wanted to generate. It's C3, and then I'm gonna add sunglasses. I click on generate, and we'll wait for a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so as you can see guys, the software automatically edit this image. So we now have this image or image of the person that has the sunglasses right here. So I really like the third one. So I'm just gonna click on this download to download this image. So this is the image right here, and it does a really great job, right? This is really powerful. Alright guys, so that's how you would use the AI graphics editor. Now you can automate your social media account like Facebook. You can create multimedia posts, CTA posts, carousel, or slideshow posts. Even live streaming, you can set up a live streaming inside of the software. Instagram, you can create posts and report. You can also create Twitter posts, Twitter text posts, image posts, and video posts. LinkedIn, you can create posts from LinkedIn directly inside of the software. Medium, you can create text posts and image posts. Blogger, text posts and image posts. And then WordPress, you can automate your text posts or blog posts or image posts or video posts directly inside the software. Reddit, YouTube, TikTok, you can automatically publish content. So if you have the video created inside the software, you can automatically post that video directly inside here and upload that on in your TikTok account. And then Google My Business, you can import your account. You can do this location manager, or you can manage all of your location right here, campaigns, and then review reply. So you can automatically reply review directly inside of the software. Pinterest, Telegram, Tumblr. So you can automatically, or you can automate your social media account directly inside of the software, right? Again guys, I'm not going to show you a full tutorial on how to do this because there is a training. Keep in mind guys, not all of these features are included in the front end. There are some apps of this. You can actually learn those apps in my bonus page by clicking the link below this video. So these are the apps. Apps number 1 is the pro version of this. Apps number 2 is the max version. Apps number 3 is automation. Apps number 4 is done for you. Apps number 5 is agency. Apps number 6 is a reseller. And then the last apps is white label. Right, so those are all the apps. I'm gonna add in those information right here and the pricing, all of these apps that we can learn more what are those apps. Alright, but if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. Again guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your WordPress account after your purchase of Soci AI. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.